welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and affordable floor candle stand for this holiday and beyond. Here we go. A floor candle stand because I fell in love with one at the store, but it was way too expensive. So I examined it and I said, I am making my own, of course. So this is going to be super easy, and I am making mine in black, but you guys can totally, customize it to whatever you want, especially for the holidays. So you guys can make it white, you can make it red, which is very pretty as well. I'm making mine black because I want to use it after, the holidays. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. You're gonna love this. Alright guys, so here's everything I'm going to need to make my beautiful floor candle stand. And I'm going to give you a little info about these so you know where to get everything. This leg, this wooden leg with the beautiful details, is from Home Depot. I'm sure you can also find them at Lowe's or other hardware stores. And then I have two plaques. I have a medium and I have a small. The sizes on this weren't on it for some reason, but just the price. So this round plaque here is the medium size because there's a larger one. So I'm just gonna call it a medium round plaque. This one was only $1.99. How cheap is that? Okay. And this was from Hobby Lobby. And then you can find the small ones as well at Hobby Lobby. And this come in a 2-pack and it was only $2.99. So the entire floor stand is going to cost you $13.50. Yes, $13.50. You heard right. Love it. The first thing I'm going to do is drill a hole in the middle of the plaque. And I'm using my quarter drill bit. So I'm going to just dig a hole and then I'm going to screw in. This screw came with the leg already, so all I'm going to do is just screw it in once I make the hole in the middle. Now I'm just going to go ahead and screw the leg in. And there it is, coming together perfectly. And by the way, you can also add wood glue to the bottom of the leg before screwing, if you would like, if it makes you feel better. But if you drill the hole snug enough, you should be okay without the glue. Next, I'm going to be placing my small round plaque right on top of my stand. And this is where the candle is going to go on. And I'm going to be placing it upside down, okay? And I'm going to only use a common nail. This is a 1.5 common nail. You can use a screw if you would like. I'm using a common nail because I don't have a screw with the size that I want at home. I thought I did and I didn't, but this is going to work just as well. All you have to do is make sure that the top is flat, okay? Because since your candle is going to go on top, you want it to be flat. All right? So I'm just going to go ahead and hammer that in. Before I start hammering the plaque on top of the stand, I'm going to hammer the nail through first. So now that the nail has gone through a little bit, I'm going to place it right on top of the stand and finish it up. And look at that, nothing to it. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint it in gloss black. Okay guys, this is it. This is my floor candle stand made out of a wooden table leg and a couple of round plaques. And it looks absolutely outstanding. If you go buy this at a store, it's gonna cost you 30 bucks for one. This one, $13.50. So make sure not to go to the store and spend your money on overpriced floor stands, all right? Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right here, right now, and make sure to hit that notification bell while you're at it. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my floor candle stand, and leave me a comment anyway, because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that can use this very affordable and cheap and quick and easy candle stand, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. All right, guys, until next time, bye.